What's the meaning of best man? Best man. Best man.
Best man. Best man. The term best man generally refers to the groom's closest male friend or relative who serves as his primary supporter and witness during his wedding ceremony. It is an important role that comes with various duties, including organizing the bachelor party, ensuring the groom looks his best on the day of the wedding, keeping the ring safe, and giving a memorable speech at the reception. The origin of this term can be traced back to medieval times when a man's best man was the one chosen to stand by him during a battle. Over time, the meaning has evolved to represent a close friend who is trusted and relied upon for support during a significant life event.